Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Ruth, and if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. Today is a Saturday. We're shooting yet another vlog because we are actually going away. Riley and I, well, Riley, her grandmother and I are going away. We're going to Manong Game Lodge, but we are gonna spend half of the day at Big Valley Game Lodge because I've always wanted to do zip lining. She's not sure if she wants to do it, and I think I saw on that page that they actually have a zip lining for kids, so I hope we'll be able to do that today. The weather was acting funny, but I think it's going to be a little sunny. Well, this side, I hope I did check the weather. There was like a 50% chance of rain, but drip is forever. I'm wearing like a very short two-piece, like my pants are short and then the top is like a crop top of a hoodie. So I put this denim jacket on top, which I'm gonna take off once I take pictures. So yeah, I thought let me just start this vlog before I go on with my day, and I don't have a proper intro. It irritates me sometimes. So yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy this vlog. It won't be our first time going there. We once went to Big Valley Game Lodge. We booked, I think was it a night or 2 nights? We booked there. We even paid, but the service was terrible. I wanted to go on the zip lining, then I wanted to go horse riding, and I also wanted to do the pedal boat. We didn't do any of those things, legit. We got there in the morning, we left after lunch because it was just a mess. So we luckily got accommodation Manong, so that's where we went. We did a few activities that they had. So I'm really hoping that this time Big Valley Game Lodge will do better, because I really want to do zip lining, and I think it's the only place around here that has it. So I really hope that they will do that. We tried to book accommodation, but the room that they had was so expensive. It was like 2,680, and I'm like, why? It's like a chalet. Let me not even get into it. So we booked Manong. We haven't paid though, so I hope it's the next. I hope it's still available for us. I don't know if we're gonna pass by there to pay, see the room first, then pay, because we don't know the room. We wanted to book the luxury chalet, like the tents, the one is Manong, but they're fully booked. The only thing that they have is a king room, and we don't know what it looks like really, but it's just a spacious room with a spacious bed. That's it. So our kids will probably pass by, see, and then if we like it, we'll pay, and then we're at Big Valley and then go back to Manong. Yeah, we'll see. We'll really see. So yeah, I think the time is, we're supposed to leave at 7. It's like 7:05 right now. So we're leaving any minute, and then we're gonna have a breakfast on Big Valley before we do anything. So yeah. Bye guys, I hope you will enjoy this vlog. I hope I'll be able to vlog almost everything. I'll do my best, okay?
I guess you're back. Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain.
Low-key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. Told me you don't really do commitment, trust me, consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved, 'cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. paying so much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Yeah, we can still have fun for now. Oh, we can still have fun for now. We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me.
Delicious what?
Goodness.
Delicious goodness.
Delicious goodness.
I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me. Consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. 'Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. So when you stop paying so much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Yeah, we can still have fun for now. Oh, we can still have fun for now.
She said I put
Dear. Dear. Wee. O thula metsi. Are Tedi wa etidi. Di tsatsi ya monna. No problem. No water slide, yeah, duel.
No,
Happy per slide.
4 or 5 slides. What's the slide?
Eh.
4 or 5 slides.
Lampa la you are la 1. Ware la 2.
But this you can keep.
You know this toy. Ruth. Hey. Ma? Yes, girl. Woo! Hey! Don't stress, you won't fall. How ka Riley? You won't. Don't be scared. You are fine. Ma? What are you doing? Yes, Riley. Don't have a so. But you're fine. Woo! You're flying. Yeah! You want to slide? I don't know if you guys can hear me, but we are going zip lining. Bring that here.
And then go. Oh, minimum to go.
you left with only one. Wow. I don't know what you are I haven't updated you guys in a very long time. I'm so pressed. I can't even hold it anymore. Came immediately back. They went to ask for the golf cart to take us to the room because we have a lot of things. There's a cooler box and a suitcase. Oh my god, I need the toilet. I need the toilet. Anyway, as I was saying, it's been raining. We just got to Manong Game Lodge, but it has stopped now, and I think I want to spend some time in the pool. I'll talk to you guys later. Good morning, you guys. I hope you guys can hear me because I'm sitting by the water and I'm outside, but I really hope that you guys will hear me. So I never updated you guys yesterday. So we arrived and then we came here first to see the room and then we paid. We decided to have breakfast here because in most places breakfast were here like about 10, so we didn't want that inconvenience if we didn't eat here. We didn't want that inconvenience if we didn't eat here. So yeah, we ate here. The breakfast was delicious, obviously, and then we went to Big Valley Game Lodge. Yeah, I must say the road is better than the last time we went there. The road, I think, was so bumpy. It has so many stones on the way, so it was hectic to get there. You needed like a big car for sure, but right now it's as smooth as the one that Yamano, so any car can really go to Big Valley Game Lodge. And then in terms of the service, it's still poor, but it's better than the last time we went there. I did manage to do the zip lining. Riley did the zip lining. She went on the water slide and everything. We made friends. They're really nice. Riley was playing with our kids. Everything is just, it's good. So we came back to Manong, obviously, and then we went on the game drive from, I think it was like 10 to 7. They don't usually do it, but they did because a lot of us wanted to go on the game drive. So yeah, we went there till about 8 or 8 or whatever. It was really nice. We saw some animals, we saw some giraffes and all that. So, and then after that, we went to the braai that they had here. Had like a buffet braai, which is really expensive. I don't understand why. But yeah, we did that. There was music playing and a bonfire. It was quite chilled. Well, I didn't like the music they were playing, so we left and then we came to chill by the pool. I didn't vlog that. Yeah, until late, and then we went back to the room to sleep. So right now it's very early in the morning. I think about past 7, half 7. So we want to go shower and then have breakfast, and then we're gonna do the segway or segway. I don't know how you pronounce it, but yeah, we're gonna do that thing, and then hopefully sim after that. Then we can check out and bounce. Yeah, I just thought let me update you guys. So bye. Don't run away. I'm trying to take a picture. Drella. Segway time. Where else, Jeff?
say to me now? I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So
Hey guys, I think you guys can already see that I'm back home. I did try to shoot a few clips of us leaving the place, which was very painful, but we did enjoy ourselves, to be very honest. We did everything that we wanted to do. Riley had fun. She swam, which was like her number one on her list, really, just to swim. So yeah, she got to do that this past weekend. So I just thought, before I close off this vlog, let me just sit here and give you guys like a review of everything. So as you guys saw, we first went to Manong Game Lodge. It wasn't our first time, all of us, going to both Manong and Big Valley. We've slept at Manong before, but we've never slept at Big Valley. I did mention that we booked and then we had to cancel the first time. It was a mess. And then the second time, the accommodation that they wanted to give us was so expensive, especially for what they said that they were going to give us. We've never been inside the room, but it's kind of like, isn't that a little too much though? You know, so we're very happy that we actually didn't book at Big Valley Game Lodge, because one, the service is bad. The first time we went there, we left the place after lunch and we didn't do anything. It's like they're so disorganized. They'll tell you, hurry, the breakfast is like a buffet. You don't have to order anything, you know, just they'll let us know once everything is ready. Breakfast time, we are here, they're preparing lunch, so we'll have the lunch. Sat down, waited. The activity guys also told us to sit, and then they'll call us once they're ready to assist us to do activities. They never did. We were literally sitting at that place watching Riley swim the entire time. So I don't know what time. We were so hungry, but yeah, we decided to give them a second chance this year. We went back there. I must say that the service is still very poor. However, the activities are a little better. There were people there waiting. On the activities side, everything is great. You buy your tickets or whatever, coupons, whatever they call it. You pay, got a counter thing that you pay, that yeah, the activities. So you tell them what you want to do, and then I can because the prices actually differ. So you pay, and then they either give you a bracelet or a tag or a receipt that you present to the guys who actually help you with, like, I don't know if they're called guides or whatever you want to call them, but yeah, you give those people the receipt, and then they help you with whatever activity you paid for. So that side is fine. The restaurant side, considering that they don't allow food, drinks, anything, unless you've booked into a self-catering room, and then you only eat your food or drinks the self-catering part. You cannot take your food to the pool area or whatever. So for somebody who does that, you'd expect like quick, and then they have snacks, and then they have drinks, or you know, but they actually don't. They really don't, which is highly disappointing. At the reception area, went inside, they take so long to come, the drinks take so long to come. We ordered a milkshake for Riley. I think Rana, about 3 hours after we left, we literally paid and left. Milkshake we sold. They kept saying that the blender is at the hotel site. They went to get it. The second time, the person who went to get it came back. I leave it to the blender, so they went back for the blender. Our raya hit and we decided to pay and just go. And then the friends that we made, Manong, also decided to do the same thing as we did. They were sleeping at Manong, went to Big Valley for some activities for the kids, and then went back to Manong. So they were also complaining about the service. They had ordered like hot chocolate for the kids that came after 2 hours. The food is not nice at all. God, is just a mess. The place is a mess, hey? So I don't know, I wouldn't recommend it. I wouldn't, but I only went there to do the zip lining, like I said, and I was happy about that. I did the zip lining. The gentlemen who were helping us were very nice. Even like with Riley's activities, they were very nice. I can't complain on that side. But the food side, which is actually part of the the whole lodge, I don't know. So Big Valley Game Lodge generally, like, overall I'd give them 3 out of 10. 3 is all from the activity side, 7 hodule because everything else is a mess. So yeah, that's about it. The road thing is way better than the first time we went. You'd literally only use a 4x4. Cars were stuck on the road. So it was a mess. It's just a road. Any car can go there. So if you want to go there, check it out. I did put the prices, the least thing in the buying pile, so you guys will go back into the video to see the prices. Entrance fee I think was 100 pula for an adult, 50 pula for kids, and then yeah, activities that whole paper kids every video when the time that we entered Big Valley Game Lodge. So I don't know them by head. I really can't. So that's about it from Big Valley. This has taken too long. Oh my god. Anyway, from Manong side, I love Manong. I really love Manong. The food is great. The service is amazing. You go to Manong, you're gonna say dumelang more than 10 times in 1 hour. Each and every staff member who passes by is gonna say dumelang. Kore, everyone is just nice, always willing to help. You're not gonna sit down for a minute. Like, do you need help? Are you lost with someone? Do you need anything? So yeah, I really highly recommend Manong. I love Manong. I'm going to keep going back to Manong, but the only problem with them is that they don't have like many activities. I mean, Baugedita from the first time that we went, but it's still not like trust me, if Manong was to start with zip lining and the pedal boating thing, yeah, go Big Valley. I don't think anyone is gonna go to Big Valley Game Lodge. Trust and believe. So yeah, I hope that they will look into adding more activities, especially for like kids. So yeah, but otherwise, other than that, everything is fine. Price point, both these places are quite expensive. I don't know why, but they're quite expensive. Yeah, I think that's it. So out of the 2 places, I highly recommend Manong. It's so peaceful. Okay, if you want peace and tranquility, go to Manong. If you don't mind the noise and the chaos, go to Big Valley Game Lodge. That's all I'm gonna say. So Manong is definitely for relaxing and, you know, some time with family and your loved ones and, you know, chilled vibes. You're gonna do the Segway tour, you're gonna do the game drive, probably like a paintball thing, a massage. It's nice for that. It's that vibe. But if you want mudumole in go Big Valley, I'm telling you. But yeah, I think that's it. We managed to relax. I look better. I feel better than when I left, as I always do. Guys, I love traveling. I love to explore. I love trying new places, although these are not like new places, but just being away from home brings me so much joy, so much happiness, and the peace that comes with it. So I really hope that 2022 I will be able to travel more, to explore more places. Let me just say bye. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. It was all over the place. There was not really enough time for me to vlog, but I hope you guys managed to get 1 or 2 things from this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.